Debbie's up to bat. Last inning of the game. Can she do it? Oh, she misses. Did she just say the S word? I don't know. We all heard it, I think. I don't know if I got it on video, though. Here she goes, here she goes, here she goes. Oh, yes! Oh, Kylan's grabbing the camera.
Oh, nice try. That was close. Good try, Deb.
Very close.
Debbie, pitch.
Kylan is grabbing the camera again. Oh, you're sliding down, bud. Kylan! Oh, and he nails it out there. There it goes. Go, Chris. Go, go, go. And can he go all the way? Will he go all the way? He will. Yes. Home run.
Good job, Deb.